easiest way to transition into tech coming from another field. There are different ways I teach my students. If you're looking to, get into a career in information technology, there's different routes you can take. There's different opportunities you can explore. There's a couple of them. First one, if you're already working somewhere, look at the opportunities within that organization, right? Are there opportunities for you to make that horizontal transition from what you're doing to an equivalent role in tech? Maybe start shadowing, maybe take on smaller tasks and then, but that requires coordination with leadership, with your management, all of that. But that's one way to start. You can also go the route of taking courses. There's a lot of courses out there now that you can take. The challenge with just buying online courses is that you're navigating this journey yourself. And it's some people, I recommend courses for people who are already fringe, doing fringe tech roles, who are already in tech and looking to elevate, right? But if you are just starting from scratch, if you're just now trying to get into your first, you've not been in tech before, I would not recommend this path, but it is a viable path. You can go on all of these online course platforms, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, Udacity, and a whole bunch of them, plural sites. There's very, very helpful, very, very well-built courses that can help you transition into information technology. So that's another way. But my recommended way for anybody who hasn't done this before, looking to get into information technology, is to really take a career training course or program, right? With, for us here at Nstar Technologies, our goal, and this is not just taking a class with, organizations that are maybe just certification driven or just a boot camp. There has to be a focus on employment, the transition into that career transition process. So they need to be working with you, and I don't mean just taking one class towards the end of the program where they talk about the job market and how the job market is and what you should do. It should be beyond that. There should be a proper structure put in place to help you go from classroom to the workforce, right? It should be built into their curriculum. So those are things you should look out for when choosing a career training program, a career training institution to sign up with. And that's one of the things we pride ourselves in here at Nstar Technologies is it's part of our program. We built our program to help you get a job, right? Every homework, every assignment, every project is drawn from real world, actual things that have happened. Our faculty are experts and experienced folks in their field. So they're not just teaching the theory of this. They're not just going through an academic exercise. For them, it's real life. It's things they've done, seen, support they're giving to other people. And that's how they're able to help you make sure you're getting the real thing.